Hello students, this is IIT JAM 2021 paper solution. In this paper video I will solve from question 30. So this is about real analysis type of question about a convergence we need to check over here. So the first thing first, we have two series and we need to check both are converge or not. So we can start with any one of them. So we have the first summation of this thing. So this can be written as summation of 1 by n to the power 1 by n in a multiplicative way. So Vn equal to 1 n. So comparison rule will be applying and Wn equal to 1 by n. So Vn by Wn is 1 by n to the power 1 by n. So log of Vn by Wn is minus limit n tends to infinity log n by n, infinity by infinity form. So minus limit n tends to infinity 1 by n comma 1, so that is 0. Now Vn by Wn is e to the power 0 equal to 1 not equal to 0, so this is divergent. First case. Second case, n to the power 1 by n, so this is summation n to the power 1 by n square. So summation of this is considered as un. So here n log of un plus 1. So n log of n to the power 1 by n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 to the power 1 by n plus 1 n plus 1 by n square. So n to the power 1 by n log of n minus n plus 1 1 by n plus 1 into log of n plus 1 plus 2n log of 1 plus 1 by n. The square comes down. So n can take common, n to the power 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1, and this will be multiplied by log n, and here it will be n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 into n of log of 1 plus 1 by n. So from this we get that n to the power n, so limit n tends to infinity n log of un by un plus 1. This part is 1 minus 1 log 0 minus 1 minus 2 log 2. So this is minus infinity less than 1. So this is also divergent. That's it. The next question is question number 31. So f of r to r is a function with the property that for every y to r the value of the expression the supremum xy fx is finite. Define g of y supremum to this, then which of this is true? So given f of r to r, so g of y is supremum of xy minus fx. So for all values of r, g of minus y supremum of f of minus x minus y, f of minus of x. So this is supremum of xy minus of fx. So that is g of y. Hence now again if we check limit mod x tends to infinity f of x by mod x, that is equal to plus infinity, let fx equal to x square, so g of y equal to supremum of, so supremum of, so x equal to cy minus c square, so y equal to x by c plus c. Now g of y is supremum of xy minus x square, that is equal to 0. And another option, limit x tends to infinity fx by mod x equal to minus infinity. Let fx equal to, if I take minus x square, Therefore suprema of xy plus x square, suprema of cy plus c square. So x equal to this, so y equal to x by c minus c. So this g of y is also infinity. So as a result of that, finally we can say in this question, okay. So G is even if A is even is the correct answer.